Hi guys, it's Brenda. It is Stitch Fix Day. I got home and found this box on my porch, so I thought I would open it up because I want to know what's in here. I imagine that you know about Stitch Fix if you're watching this video. I requested an all... I'm blurry, aren't I? I requested a fix that was all tops, and I asked for flowered prints. So let's see what Annie found for me. Let's see the note. What's in here? Okay, I'm not going to read that because it'll tell me what I have. So here is my bundle, and my box is pretty short, but I imagine the shirts are not that thick, so that's why my box is little. Here is my burrito. Okay, let's see what we got. I don't see too much as far as different types of prints, but that's okay. All right, it is very pretty from looking at it this way. All right, first one is very nice, kind of fall looking. Oh, you can't see because of that window, sorry. Kind of fall looking colors, and it is very sheer. This is by Ren and Willa, and this is the Celia lace up neckline blouse in navy. Let's see, get this twisted around. Ah! Okay, anyhow, so it's got a tie at the neck, and then it's got this, I don't know what this is called, this fold over stuff. I like that a lot. Maybe you can get a better view of the print. There you go. It's got some burgundy in it, so it'll work with those burgundy pants for a while. Good transition piece. It does have some bright blue in it, so I'm happy about that. It means I can wear it with jeans. Okay, next we have this. It's by Alice Blue, kind of striped. It's got some pockets, sleeves, have a tab, and they, I guess, would roll. This is kind of a sheer material. It is pink and blue and white. I like that a lot too. Buttons all the way up. This kind of interesting style. This is called the Tompkins 2 pocket blouse in navy, size small. Okay, so we'll see about that. I like that one. So far, so good. Then we have this. This is a button up as well. Did it have a pocket? Yeah, it's got a little pocket here. Sleeve is inside out. That's interesting. Got a little pocket right there. Kind of low in the front. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking. This is by Cut from the Cloth Sinclair button front blouse. So that's probably a pretty penny, but I do like the print. You can see it's very pretty. That would go with burgundy as well. The sleeves are tab sleeve with the roll up, and they do have a cuff with a button, so I would probably wear it that way. All right, fourth item is this blue blue shirt with just a flowered hem at the bottom. Very cute. I like that as well. This is Lovapella, and this is the Harriet woven hem knit top. So everything's blue, but that's okay. I like blue. Okay, so that's very cute. That would be cute maybe with my pink denim jacket. I can't tell in this lighting if this is a pink or a coral. Looks like it almost might be coral, so we'll see. Then last I have this little sleeveless top buttons. Oh, does it have buttons? Nope, it doesn't have buttons. Or it does have buttons. I can't tell. Okay, it's got a fake button front. You can kind of see how thick that is right there. And then it ties here. It has little ruffles right here in the front. And this is by Fun to Fun. And this is the Ulrika tie neck blouse in black. So this just has a little bit of red in the center of the flowers, and then the flowers are almost an off-white. So some pretty things, and I will try them on, and then we will go over the prices, and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, excuse my bra and pant lines here, but here is the first shirt. I feel like it's a little blousey, but I do like it. I don't know. I mean, most tops these days are pretty wide, so it's kind of hard to tell. What do you guys think? Do you think it's too big? Too lousy? I don't know. Otherwise it fits nice. So maybe it's fine. Maybe it's just me. Maybe that's just the way it's supposed to fit. I don't know. Okay, next. Here is the blue and pink shirt. Not as blousey. It feels a little short. I guess it's probably just right, but it does feel a little bit short. I don't know. I kind of like it. I like the colors in it. I don't mind the pockets. Looking in the other mirror. Let me turn the light on. Ooh, that's worse, isn't it? Never mind. Yeah, I kind of like this one. Let me know what you think. Next. All right, here is the cut from the cloth. Of course, I like this one because it's probably the most expensive one in the whole box. I did take the sleeves apart, so let me see. Make sure they're long enough. And, yep. Oops, I have my activity tracker on, so just a second. All right. Okay. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay. There is the sleeve down. Yeah, this one fits the best, I would have to say. It is pretty. Let me know what you guys think. This is going to be a hard decision on what to do, depending on prices. So that's this. Okay. Next. Okay. Pay no attention to my checkered pants. But here's the blue top. I feel like this is a little bit small. I don't know what you guys think. I mean, you can see the lines on my stomach, so if I was to keep this, I would probably want a medium. It's cute. Flowers are bright. Not sure how in love I am with it, but I do think a medium would be better because I just feel like this is too constricting with the different color material that's on the bottom. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's not really tight in the arms or anything. I just feel like I want to pull on it for some reason. So, okay, let me know what you think of that. Next. All right, here is the black shirt. I like this. It's not as blousey as that first one. It does tie right here, but you know, it's a black shirt with flowers on it. So I just don't know if I need it. But like I said, we'll see the prices and then we can go from there and make a decision. So I'll be right back with final thoughts. Let me know what you think about these. I'm still not sure. All right, so I left this shirt on. I do think it's cute. I like the little ruffle that's here. I got Oli with me. The little ruffle is cute, but I don't know how much it would show with my long hair. So let's read the note. I do have to say, you know, I asked for spring, or I asked for floral. I think I asked for spring. And I feel like these are still fall tops, so I'm a little bit disappointed, but yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'd like to have some things for spring. So, all right, we'll read the note, read the prices, and then I'll have to make a decision. Hi Brenda, happy Stitch Fix Day. I'm so glad to hear that you enjoyed your last fix. For this fix, I was still unable to locate those Corso Como shoes that you've been eyeing, but I did find some great floral tops as you requested. This cut from the cloth Sinclair, what are you doing, baby? This cut from the cloth Sinclair button front blouse is great for wearing to work with black bottoms or pairing with some colored pants for a more fun look. Keep it casual on the weekend by wearing this Lovapella Harriet woven hem knit top to lunch with friends. The Wren and Willa Calia lace-up neckline blouse will be perfect paired with white bottoms and gold accessories. As the temperatures get warmer or just for layering, try this fun-to-fun Ulrika tie-neck blouse, which while I was unable to find the top you requested, I did find this other Alice Blue blouse. Best, Annie. Okay, so I did Alice Blue. I had requested a top that I saw in someone else's box that had little kitten heads all over it, and they looked like polka dots. So it looks like she was unable to locate that one. So the Alice Blue is, what is in the chair? The Alice Blue is not, you know, it doesn't have kitten heads on it or anything, but it was okay. That was the striped pink. So here we go. Looks like they have changed their format a little bit as far as the prices go. So we have the Wren and Willa lace-up neckline blouse. That is the first one that I tried on that I thought was a little bit blousey. That one is $58. The cut from the cloth Sinclair button front blouse, that one is $68. That is the one with all the floral, this one that I liked with the pink floral, $68. Fun to Fun Ulrika tie neck blouse is $34. That's this one that I have on. The Lovapella Harriet woven hem knit top, which has the floral bottom, is $44. And the Alice Blue Topkins 2-pocket blouse is $44. So the total comes to $248. The buy 5 discount would be $62. And because I don't have a style credit because I'm on the $49 a year plan, my total would be $186. Tax not included. So I've already used my $49 in my last box, so I don't have to get anything. So I guess I'm not sure what to get. I don't know if I'm going to get anything. I feel like all this is kind of for fall. And this just being, you know, black and kind of a cream color with a little bit of red. I don't see me wearing it. So I'm conflicted. I like the colors in that first Ren and Willa Celia. This one, the first one that I tried on. I like the colors in that, but of course that one is $58. I don't know that I want to pay $58, right? Yeah, I don't know that I want to pay $58 for that, and it is a little too blousy, so I'm going to say at this point that I'm probably looking this over, not going to keep anything. I'll probably send them all back, and I will ask for another fix with all tops in it, and I will ask for them to be floral and spring colors. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I would appreciate if you would subscribe if you like these videos. And this is fix number 10 for me. Everybody take care, and I hope you're doing well and God is taking care of you. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.